How to connect bank account to TAPTAP Send account. Ensure that you have the TAPTAP Send app installed on your mobile device from either the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and either sign up for a new account or log in to your existing one. Choose the country to which you want to send money. TAPTAP Send primarily supports international transfers, so select the correct country for your transfer. After selecting the country, TAPTAP Send will prompt you to choose a payment method. Select bank transfer as your preferred option if available. You'll be guided to enter your bank account details. This usually includes bank name, account number. TAPTAP Send may use third-party services like Plaid to securely link your bank account. TAPTAP Send may ask you to verify your account by confirming small test deposits. Once your bank account is linked and verified, you can use it to send money through the app. If your country doesn't support direct bank transfers or this option isn't available, you might need to use a debit card as a workaround to fund your TAPTAP Send account. Thanks for watching.